Mae yna sawl mantais o fod yn ddwyieithog.
Probably about 96-97% of our children come from English-speaking homes.
Honestly, didn't learn Welsh growing up, and it was something I really wish I'd done. I feel it's really important for the children to have bilingualism because it really is going to help their career prospects.
It's already helped me to get part-time jobs and everything. It's helped me in the workplace to speak to customers.
In the future, I would like to be a teacher, a primary school teacher, and so I think Welsh is going to help me a lot.
There's so much support out there, so much help.
Apps such as Q.
Between 60 and 75% of the world is bilingual.
You are not making a mistake by entering that world of a new language and the Welsh language.
It's important to have more choices and more flexibility, and that's great for those pupils and those parents.
Fabulous provision, and we get free transport from outside Brecon to Ysgol y Bannau.
Felt more in tune with my heritage and traditions that have been passed down for generations.
We try and organise courses for parents so that they come into the school, and it's putting their mind at rest, and it's that level of support that we can offer.
Yeah, it was 100% the right decision for us to send our children to a Welsh school. We were a bit apprehensive at the start, but we're not looking back now, and we're thrilled.
The Destination Bilingual resources are available to help parents who are considering Welsh medium education. To find out more, search for Destination Bilingual.